Hi there, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today, I'm going to show you a little life hack for owners of four-wheel drive trucks. So recently, we did a Sunday drive, and during that drive, we found out that the truck was stuck in 4x4 low. I found out how to fix that, and I want to show that with you. Some of you might already know this. Many don't. I never did. So here we go. All right. First thing we want to do is start up the vehicle. It's stuck in 4x4 low. So what you have to do is put the gear selector into neutral, which it is now, and then switch it to 4x4 high and wait, count to 10, and then put it in two-wheel drive. So that is it. All you do is put the engine in neutral, change the selector from 4x4 low to 4x4 high, and if the selector moves, life is good. You count to 10, and then you put it in two-wheel drive. So that's all you have to do. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If not, where have you been? I've been making YouTube videos since 2016, and I'd certainly like to have you come along with me. Click on subscribe. After you click on the subscribe button, click on the little bell, and that'll give you updates on whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.